friends? Want to make something super fun? Let's create giant paper nails. They're perfect for Halloween, dress up, or just goofing around at home. All you need is paper, colorful markers, glue or tape. First, grab a square piece of paper and decorate it however you want. Stripes, hearts, stars, maybe even spooky spiders. Make each one different, that's the fun part. Roll the paper like an ice cream cone and glue it. Add a little paper inside so it fits your finger nicely and boom! One fancy nail done. Now make more and wear them all 5, 10, even 20. Wiggle your fingers and show them off like a fashion queen or a wild witch. Nails are super silly, super cool, and super easy. So, what are you waiting for? Thanks for crafting with me. See you next time for more fun ideas.